Alright, so let's create some typography designs. So I created this design for the SD and SM Midwifery Training College Quadaso. So I'm going to show you how I went around the Thanksgiving theme design here. Yeah, I'm talking about this design. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so the font that I used for the design, the typography design, is called Magic Source for this one. Alright, so let's start. Okay, so you use your type 2. Yeah, so let's use our type 2 and let's reset the character because I've increased the spaces in between the fonts already. So let me reset the character first. So our character has been reset. So now let's choose our font style from here, Magic Source. So it's Magical Source Demo. Let's change the color for it to be a bit visible for us all to see. So I've increased the size. So it's a Thanksgiving service flyer. So we will first design the giving because it was the largest among them all giving. Yeah. So we've typed the giving already, and we want to add some touches to the G here. As you can see here, like the first one that I showed you, see the G comes with its own style. So before we will get that style, we have to go to Windows and enable glyphs here. So the glyphs pop up will appear here. So we will highlight the G and choose a different style of the G from here. You can get this G here, but the one that we want to use is this one. It can be found here. Okay, a second. Where's our G? Yeah, it is here. So here is the G that I showed you earlier. We can increase the size a bit, yeah, and decrease the size of the I. Can make the I smaller. Yeah. So now we are done with the giving, and left with the thanks and the service. So, but before we will continue, let's make a duplicate of the giving and hide the first one and rasterize our layer first. So after we've rasterized it, we will use our eraser tool to take off the dot on the eye. Yeah, so that we can create enough space for the thanks, which will be placed at the top of the giving. So now thanks. Okay, so with the thanks tool, we will go for different design for the T. Yes, by using the same glyph menu. Yeah, so you can choose a different style for the T here. Yeah, so you can get this T. Yeah, there are so many different styles here, and the way it is hidden, if you don't take care, you will not be seeing them. So all you have to do is to enable the glyphs, and you can find your font styles there. I don't know. Yes, this is the T. So you can go for this T and increase the size of it, increase the size of the T a bit, and decrease the size of our tanks. starting from the H, we will highlight from the H to S. Okay. So here's the things. And the service, the font that I use for the service is Nexa, the Nexa font. So let me increase the size a bit and change the font to Nexa, all caps for the service. So we are done with our design. You can even change the font style to heavy, or you can just go for the extra light that I used earlier. I'll go with the extra light. So we are done with our design. So the next thing that we have to do is to group our theme. So service, thanks, giving, and we are done. Yeah. So we are done with our typography design, Thanksgiving service design. You see, Thanksgiving, same here. You can go ahead and reduce the spaces in between the giving. Yeah. You can do it to suit your preference. So thank you.